Okay, good morning all. Friction. How this friction is created? In our daily life, we see many rough surfaces, smooth surfaces, that is polished surfaces or plain surfaces. In rough surfaces, we see many ups and downs, that is irregularities, right? So, when we find the irregularities in such a way, when another body comes into the contact, they lock within each other in such a way. Due to this interlocking only, the body cannot move. Friction is caused due to the irregularities present in the body itself only. Due to that irregularities only, they lock with one another and friction is created. In case of smooth surfaces only, smooth surfaces also, we find irregularities, right? Then, whether this friction is advantage or we are having disadvantages with this friction, then how to reduce this friction when we see disadvantages? Let us discuss about these in this class. Friction is having advantages as well as disadvantages, right? First, let us talk about the advantages of the friction. So, some of the advantages I am saying, we are having 5 fingers. They are of not same length. Why they are not of same length? If they are of same length, if we hold any object, it slips. As they are of different lengths only, we can hold an object perfectly with the fingers. So today we are walking stably on the surface means that is only due to the friction created between our legs and the earth. Also, here in case of vehicles also, when we give the brake to the vehicle stops only due to the friction created between the surface and the tire. When you see the tire, you will see some irregular shapes on that tire. So that creates an interlocking between the earth and itself, the tire itself. So when we apply the brakes, the vehicles come to the stop. Next, hitting the nails into the walls. This is also due to friction itself only, right? Writing on paper with a pen, it is also due to friction only. So these all are the some advantages of the friction. Besides these advantages, we also find some disadvantages. So disadvantages is when heavy machines works, due to contact between their internal parts, heat will be generated and machine parts will be spoiled or damaged due to heating up of the machine. The wear and tear parts of the machine will damage due to friction itself only. So in such a way, even we are also having disadvantages related to the friction, advantages as well as disadvantages. Now in case of disadvantages, how to overcome this friction? How to overcome the friction means 4 methods are there. First is polishing the surface. By having the perfect polishing, we can reduce the friction. The second one is using lubricants. Lubricants are that materials which reduce the friction. As lubricants, we use grease, coconut oil. In daily life, you will use coconut oil, no? If you find any part hard, such as bolts of door, you will just pour some coconut oil or rub it with coconut oil. So, that particular materials which reduce the friction, we call it as lubricants. Now, the third one, ball bearings. So, in case of big wheels, we arrange small ball bearings in the wheels. On that ball bearings only the wheels will rotate perfectly without friction. Now next one, streamlining. What is streamlining? Here if we take either fluid or air, we assume either fluid or air travels in form of some straight lines or curved lines. So that we imaginary lines, we call it as streamlining. So this streamlining we use for vehicles such as aeroplanes, cars, etc. You know, aeroplane wing, it will be designed in a particular way, in such a way that streamlining below the wing will be less. Streamlining above the wing will be more. So here what happens? Above the wing, streamlining is more means air is more, velocity is more. So pressure will be less. Below streamlining is less means air is less, velocity of air will be less. So pressure will be more. So easily with the help of this streamlining, aeroplane can be moved in an upward direction due to higher pressure applied under the wings of aeroplane. So by using streamlining also, we can reduce friction. Now I use the word fluid. Fluid means the general English meaning to flow. Here what flows? Liquid, gases. The combination we call it as fluid. So fluid means either it may be liquid or gas. The friction created in the layers of fluid, we call it as drag. So what is drag? The friction created in the layers of fluids. Either it may be a liquid or gas. That we call it as drag. So in such a way, friction has advantages. Without friction we cannot live. At the same time it is having disadvantages also. And there are certain methods to overcome such disadvantages created by the friction. So this is about friction. Thank you.